Hey there, DIY wizards and repair aficionados. Ready to mend, bond, and create with precision? Welcome to the world of the best plastic welders. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools are the secret to strong, seamless plastic repairs. Dive into our top picks in the description box below and unleash your creative and fix-it side. Now, let's get started. Allturn PWG100 Plastic Welder. The Allturn PWG100 Plastic Welder is a powerful and versatile tool designed for efficient plastic repairs. With 100 W of heating power, it quickly restores various plastic parts, including car bumpers, dashboards, and more. The kit includes 400 hot staples, ensuring you have all you need for different repair jobs. Its ergonomic design, comfortable grip, and easy operation make it user-friendly. Safety features like internal overheating protection and a patented appearance provide peace of mind. Trust this hot stepper kit to extend the life of your plastic components with durability and ease. Vctselity VF54 Plastic Welder. The Vctselity VF54 Plastic Welder boasts 150 W of quick heating power, making it an ideal choice for various plastic repair tasks. This 2-in-1 kit includes 800 hot staples and 56 plastic welding rods suitable for different types of repairs. Whether you're fixing car bumpers, dashboards, or everyday plastic items, this welder has you covered. Its user-friendly design features a non-slip rubber handle, LED headlamps for better visibility, and simple operation. With a comprehensive package and robust heating capacity, it's a go-to tool for professional-grade plastic repairs. Miotorio 221 Plastic Welder. The Miotorio 221 Plastic Welder stands out with its 150 W quick heating capability, ensuring rapid repairs of plastic components. This kit includes 800 hot staples and 56 plastic welding rods, offering versatility for various repair needs. It's perfect for fixing car bumpers, instrument panels, and other automotive plastic parts. The welder's user-friendly operation allows you to achieve professional results effortlessly. With a complete package and a focus on efficiency, it's an excellent choice for those looking to save time and effort on plastic repairs. Wrdlosy 170 W Plastic Welder. The Wrdlosy 170 W Plastic Welder offers impressive power and versatility with 1,005 hot staples and 78 plastic welding rods. This 4-in-1 kit includes everything you need for effective plastic repairs. Its 170 W heating capacity ensures quick and efficient results, making it suitable for various applications, from automotive repairs to household fixes. The pure copper tube anti-scalding handle enhances safety and usability. With this comprehensive package, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of plastic repair projects with ease. Sonnler 621 Plastic Welder. The Sonnler 621 Plastic Welder is your go-to solution for repairing cracks and broken plastic parts. With 100 W of power, it's efficient and versatile, capable of handling various plastic materials. This kit includes 1,000 hot staples, plastic iron, plastic rods, metal mesh, abrasive paper, and aluminum tape, providing all the necessary tools for professional-grade repairs. Even beginners can achieve impressive results with the easy-to-follow instructions. Say goodbye to costly replacements and restore the strength of your plastic items economically and effectively. Mend, shape, and create with precision using the best plastic welders available. Unleash your creativity and tackle repairs like a pro with these versatile tools.